Have you seen those high-end infographics taken over Instagram and LinkedIn and wondered, how can I make graphics like those? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build them yourself without a graphics designer and using Gemini and a simple prompt. We're going to be using Nano Pro, and it's finally so much better with handling large amounts of text, making your graphics professional and most importantly, readable and reliable. Whether it's a YouTube video, a raw idea, or even a boring PDF, we're going to turn it into a high visual asset. Let's get into it. First, we head over to gemini.google.com. We need some high quality information. So I'm going to ask Gemini to generate 5 key steps to implementing AI in small businesses over the next 12 months in the UK. Once that's done, I'm going to give it a quick read and make sure the logic is sound before turning it into an infographic. Remember, human in the loop, and that's you checking it. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to use a specific prompt, but first we select create image, and then we're going to enter the following. Generate an infographic based on the above notes. Turn it into a quick step-by-step for a busy CEO. Give the final output as an image ratio of 9:16. Now, we let Gemini do its work. Wow, look at that. A nice tidy infographic from a simple prompt. Now, you could copy the prompt I've used, but I want to improve it, and I want to give you that template that you can use to create any infographic. And all you need to do is change what's in the brackets with your own details. Enter your data source, be it a YouTube video or PDF, what format you want it to be in, who is the target audience, what aspect ratio you want, and what colors you want, and any specific imagery. The more detail you give Gemini, the better the results will be. If you've got a YouTube link or a boring 20-page PDF, make sure you upload that or paste it into the summary brackets. Now, here's the most important tip I can give you. Do not just accept the first version. Think of it as the first draft. If the color feels off or you want a different layout, go back and re-prompt. Tell Gemini, no, I don't want it to look this way. I want this heading instead. Remember, you are in control on how you want the output to be. Now let's run our prompt again with the updated prompt we created. Now we have an infographic that's more aligned with my brand. And you can go back and forth and do that. And that's how you get those stunning pro level infographics without ever touching a design tool. So, no more worrying about the design, and you can start posting high value content that actually gets read. I've put the exact prompt I used in the comments below, so you can copy and paste and start using it straight away in Gemini. Try it out with a PDF, a YouTube link, or even your messy meeting notes, and let me know what you think of the results. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment and like and share with a friend. See you on the next one.